Last week, Year 1, you started your new topic on maps. Mrs. Hegarty has told me that you all had a go at making your own maps. Well done if you managed to make a map of where you live. Today, we're going to continue with our work on maps. First of all, can you remember what an aerial view is? That's right. If you are looking at an aerial view, it means that you are looking down at something from the sky, or as if you were up in the air, like a bird, or looking out of the window of a plane. Here is an aerial view of Madingley School, which you looked at last week. Can you spot the playground, the Year 1 and 2 lodges, the main school building, and the mud kitchen? Okay, Year 1, we used our aerial view to make a map with a key. Can you remember? When we drew our map, it was very important that we included a key, which is down here. Remember that the key on our map tells us what the symbols mean. And the symbols on a map can be small pictures, like here for the trees. They could be letters or even coloured areas to show us the features of our map. Just like here, the black part here tells us that this is the main school building. If you look at the other symbols in our key, you can find the other features of Madingley Pre-Prep. Today, Year 1, we are going to compare the map we made of Madingley Pre-Prep, which is here, to the map of Rosedale House, which is here. I want you to look at the maps very closely. Can you see things that are the same? Can you see things that are different? Remember to look at the keys on each map to help. You can pause the video now so you can take a closer look at both these maps. So, what I'd like you to do today for your activity Year 1 is to think about the similarities and the differences between the two maps. Can you spot two things that are the same and two things that are different? You can either draw or write down your similarities and differences. If you like, you can add extras to your list too. If you see any other things that are the same or any other things that are different, please feel free to add them. If you enjoyed comparing the maps, you can now look at a map of Dame Bradbury's and see if you can spot any more similarities and differences. Feel free to add these to your list. Remember to look really carefully and don't forget to look out for the key. Enjoy the activities, Year 1.